Good day, class. Today, we will discuss a very important concept in digital techniques, a single integrated circuit that contains a processor core, memory, and programmable input and output peripherals. This description refers to what we commonly call a microcontroller. Everything needed for control is inside one chip. This makes systems smaller, faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Imagine having your brain, memory, and hands all combined into one compact unit. That's exactly how this integrated circuit works. The processor core is the thinking part of the chip. It is responsible for executing instructions, performing calculations, and making decisions. This is the part that runs the program you write. The same chip also contains memory, so it doesn't need external storage for basic operation. Program memory stores the instructions. Data memory stores temporary values. This allows the system to remember what to do and what is currently happening. These are the parts that allow the chip to talk to the outside world. Inputs: sensors, switches, signals. Outputs: motors, LEDs, displays, relays. Because these input and output pins are programmable, we can decide through software how each pin behaves. Putting everything into a single chip has many advantages. Fewer external components, lower power consumption, faster communication between parts, and smaller circuit size. This is why microcontrollers are widely used in robots, appliances, vehicles, and control systems. The processor reads instructions from memory. It processes data from inputs. It decides what action to take. It sends signals to outputs. This process repeats continuously while the system is powered. This single integrated circuit is programmable, which means we can change its behavior by changing the program. The program defines how inputs are interpreted. The program defines how outputs respond. The same chip can perform different tasks. Today, the chip controls a motor. Tomorrow, with a new program, it can control a lighting system. When this integrated circuit is used to perform a specific task, it becomes part of an embedded system. Washing machines, engine control units, robotic systems, and marine monitoring devices. The chip continuously monitors inputs and automatically adjusts outputs. A computer needs many separate chips. This integrated circuit needs only one main chip. It is optimized for control tasks, not general computing. That's why it is perfect for automation and robotics. A light sensor is connected to the input. A lamp is connected to the output. The sensor detects darkness. The processor evaluates the condition. Output turns the lamp on. All of this occurs within a single integrated circuit. This chip is not a full computer. It is designed for specific tasks. Programming defines its function. You don't need complex hardware. Logic and programming do most of the work. A single integrated circuit can contain a processor, memory, and I/O. This is commonly known as a microcontroller. It is programmable and flexible. It interacts with the real world using inputs and outputs. It is widely used in digital control systems. If you were designing a simple automatic system using only one chip, what inputs would you connect? What outputs would you control? And what task would the system perform? Thank you.